In today's video I want to show you how to do a brake service for your Daihatsu Cuore. Brakes are a sensitive topic, which is why you should have the replacement done at a workshop. All information provided by me is without guarantee. First you need to remove the anti-rattle springs and the pin holding spring. Now you need to remove both disc pad pins. Since they are pretty rusty, I used a pipe wrench for it. You're gonna damage the pins a little, so I grinded them with a sandpaper. Next step is getting out the brake pads. After that you have to remove the caliper to get access to the brake disc. Therefore you need to remove the bolts on the back of the caliper. Don't forget to push back the pistons. Now take off the disc. Give the wheel bearing a little cleaning and put some paste on it for rust prevention. Next, put the new brake disc on it and clean it. Now put the brake caliper back together. These two holes are important for the pin holding spring later. Now push the pins back in and bring the caliper back in position. As you can see, I messed the pin holding spring up, so I ordered new ones. Thank you for watching and see you next time.